Hey guys, in this video I'm talking about TypeScript introduction. What is TypeScript? TypeScript is a synthetic superset of JavaScript with the static typing. That basically mean that TypeScript adds syntax on top of JavaScript, allowing developer and add types. TypeScript being a syntax superset mean that it shares the same base syntax as JavaScript but add something to it. What should I use TypeScript? JavaScript is a loosely typed language and it can be defined by understanding what type of data are being passed around in JavaScript. In JavaScript, function, parameter, and variable do not have any function. So developer need to look at documentation and guess based on the implementation. And TypeScript allow and specify the type of data being passed around the within the code and have the ability to report error with the when the type do not match. For example, TypeScript will report an error when passing a string on into the function that accepts a number. JavaScript will not. JavaScript use compile in time type checking while which mean it check if the specified type much match before running the code, not while running the code. Why do you guys why how do I use TypeScript? A common way to use TypeScript is to use the official TypeScript compile which transpiles TypeScript code into JavaScript. The next section show how to get the compile setup for a local project. Some popular code editors such as Visual Studio Code have built-in TypeScript support and can show error as your write code. TypeScript exercise. TypeScript for getting started. TypeScript compiler is transpired into JavaScript using a compiler. TypeScript being converted into JavaScript mean it run anywhere that JavaScript runs. Installing the compiler, JavaScript has an official compiler which can be installed through an npm. Within your npm project, run the following command to install the compiler, which show you have output similar to added one package and audited package in 2s found zero value reliabilities. The compiler installed in the node modules directly and can be run with npxtsc npxtsc, which should give an output similar to version 4.555. TSC, the TypeScript compiler version 4.54.5, followed by a list of all the common commands. Configure the compiler. By default, the TypeScript compiler all the print of a help message when run in any empty project. The compiler can be configured used to test configure .gs json file. You can have TypeScript created tsconfigure.json file with the recommended setting with npx tsc in it, and which should give you an output similar to creating a new tsconfigure.json with ts target es 2016 module common js script true and es module in enter of true. Skip lib check true. Force consistent casing in file name true. You can learn more at akmstsconfigure.json. TypeScript simple type. TypeScript supports some simple type primitive you may know. There are three main type of primitives: JavaScript and TypeScript. Boolean, number and strings. True and false value number, wo number and floating point number, and string. Text value like TypeScript rocks. Type assignment. When created a variable, there are two type way TypeScript assign a type. explicit, implicit. In both example below, first name of type string, explicit name, writing out the type. Let first name string is equal to Dylan. Implicit type. Implicit TypeScript will guess the type based on the assigned value. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye guys.